Frustrated by the Mpgcheck Library DLL error causing localized MPEG validation logic to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. Before we start the Mpgcheck library configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the Mpgcheck library, the MPEG Integrity Checker. It provides unmanaged routines for scanning MPEG bitstreams to identify frame corruption or structural anomalies. It facilitates the orchestration of media diagnostic manifests to ensure stable playback data links. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Mpgcheck acts as a vital connection for localized MPEG validation logic operations, and downloading a fresh installer for the program showing the error is the only way to repair the damaged binaries found in the app folder. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Mpgcheck library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for Mpgcheck Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. For users interested in automation concepts, the Maintenance and Repair Kit linked below provides background information on managing Mpgcheck library. If you've regained access to Mpgcheck library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.